going on, lads and ladies? Here I am. It's your boy Andy Miner back at it again. I'm starting a new thing here, or I'm trying to. My chair just broke a little bit. I'm trying to start a new thing here called Beatlog. I'm going to attempt to make a beat every single day. I might start selling them, you know, I'm just trying to make some money, you know what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make a beat every day and then break down what I did and show it to you guys and then play the beat for you, obviously, and then, you know, gonna go from there. It should be some pretty consistent videos if I stick to it. I know that I probably won't stick to it because I'm not very good at that, but hey, we're gonna do our best. Okay, so here we go. This beat is called Waves. I made it actually yesterday. I already made another one for today, but I'm just gonna be a day behind, I guess, for now. Yeah, this is the beat that I made yesterday called Waves. It took me about 2 hours and all, I believe. So yeah, what I started with was I found this new plugin called Helm 64. Here, it looks like this. Finally did it. This is the plugin I found. It's kind of like Serum, but it's free, so I'm all about it. Yeah, I just clicked through and found a preset that I like. I went to it and then I've messed with it quite a bit since then, but this is what it sounds like. I put down a random MIDI pattern, which is that, and that is the core of the whole thing. That just kind of goes on. So that was what I based it all on, and then it automates into a higher frequency with a filter, and then we start with some kicks and snares. And that's pretty consistent throughout the track as well. And it comes in with some hats. And I didn't really do anything to these instruments, I don't believe. The snare has an equalizer, and they all have equalizers on them. I put a little bit of reverb on the snare. The kick is without reverb, and the hat has an auto pan on it just to kind of spice it up. You can hear it go back and forth. It's very subtle, but it's still there. I got my producer tag. I just made this producer tag like a minute ago, so maybe I should make one. I don't know. It's probably pretty bad. I don't know. I just recorded it. One take, baby. So that's my tag now, I guess. And then once it does that, we're gonna actually get into the main beat, and it kind of slaps. So I hope it slaps. I don't know. That was my attempt. So the hat picks it up, because the hat also has a delay on it, by the way. I just used a send on it. This is just a crash. It's hardly a crash, but still. This is a little effect. So that sound started as this. I took it, lowered it an octave, and that's reversed, and then it goes into the regular. If I undo this, you'll be able to hear it. Yeah. So it goes in reverse, and then it goes regular. It's like a little effect, I guess. I put a filter on there and some reverb. Without it, sounds kind of I don't know, but then with it. And then of course you got the 808, which I put an equalizer on, all of that, saturator, compressor, standard stuff. It's really pretty hard. Whenever I first made this beat, the 808 was kind of hard to hear with everything added, so I went back and made it a lot fatter. And then some crash. This right here, I actually ended up really liking. I added it really late, like after the fact, but it's spiced up the beat quite a bit. That was originally, I think it was this. For the top layer, I reversed it, which already sounds really cool. And then I dropped it an octave as well, so that it just kind of fills. And there's a compressor on it. You probably didn't really hear the difference in, but you know, whatever. So yeah, I got that, and then whenever it comes in, it automates up. Does it? I thought it did. Okay, never mind. No, it doesn't. I thought it was automated. Okay, I guess I changed my mind. I thought it automated, but it clearly doesn't. And then this top lead automated down, and then it comes back in once the I guess you call, I don't know, whatever, what you call that, the harmony part? I don't know. It comes in, and then the lead slowly goes back up, and then we're here, and then after beat it does. Yeah, so I just take the kick and I make it go down, and the 808 goes a little all over the place. Well, not really. Anyways, yeah, so that's that, and then at the outro, Yeah, pretty much the same thing as I took this part and I unreversed it. Not a huge difference, but it's still there. Anyways, I played the whole beat now. I don't know where this beat will be. It'll be on YouTube, at least in this video, or like a sample of it will be, and I guess I'll put it on, I don't know, SoundCloud or something. I don't know what I'm doing. If anybody has experience with this, please help me, because I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. That's the video. All right, see you later, folks.